Hello, fellow Dr. Phil watchers. We got a special treat for you today. From all the way from New York, New York, Connor Hoffman.
Thank you for everything.
Now, Connor, he seems to have married his ball. His ball talks. And he wants to prove it. So, well, first tell us about your life.
Mr. Bond said something like that. That's very mean. You should not say that about Mr. Phil. Oh no. Mr. Bond. Mr. Bond says I need to kill you.
Well, now that is very bad.
Mr. Bond!
Never say you want to kill someone. It's very bad.
Oh my god, Mr. Bond, it's just been sick.
Now,
Ew. Oh my! Ew!
what is your job?
I don't know. I don't
Okay.
have a job. I'm a hobo.
Okay, he's a hobo. Well, give him a round of applause for that. Good. Now, on to the next segment. So, you married your ball. Okay. He loves his ball very much. And, okay, that ball's kind of scaring me. Okay. Now,
You're funny, Mr. Ball.
what do you think that Mr. Ball says?
You told me I wasn't allowed to say that.
Okay. What did Mr. Ball say?
He says he wants to meet Mrs. Ball.
No. About, like, people.
Oh, but sometimes when I'm deep at sleep, he wakes me up and he looks at me straight in the eyes and he says, he wants to kill somebody. He has urges to kill. So then I have
Kill
to
who?
go through. Mr. Ball tells me I can't say it or he'll kill me.
Say or I will arrest you.
My mother,
Who else?
her best friend, Mrs. Tennis Racket,
Who else?
and my little doggy Patsy. Oh yeah, and there's also one more person, Dr. Phil.
Ball, shoot me, ball! What the? Ball, take you, ball! Mr. You won't see Mr. Ball anymore.
Mr. Ball.
That's the end of this segment. Thank you. That's our next episode from Stewie Dude 11. Woo! Okay.